while you're brushing teeth, you could combine yoga at the same time, so you get two things done in one go. So we're going to be starting with the feet together. If you are feeling a bit wobbly, be sure to use your hands on the wall, on a sink or somewhere to support, because we don't want to have the toothbrush in your mouth and then falling over. So choose the steadier option first. You can always test and try. You could take your hands off for a moment and come back when you need to also. Right, so let's keep our feet together. And now start to test our balance. So you could have your hands with your toothbrush. While you brush teeth, you could lift your knee up and lower down. Keeping your navel pulling in, so activating our core, keeping your back nice and long. If you're happy here, you could bring your toe on the leg and open your knee out and back to the center. Try to have everything else steady. Knee open wide, opening the hip. And now slowly start to lower down and shake. And I'll try the other side. So here, you could stay on the same hand, brushing, or you could swap the hands to challenge. But using non-dominant hands to brushing teeth is great to stimulate our brain, but it's a lot harder. You need to stay focused. So you could have your feet together and use your non-dominant hand, or you can stay with the same hand, or if you're used to both, you could do the challenging option with a non-dominant hand and a normal hand. Oops, sorry, I forgot. We're gonna start with your knee up and lower. Remember, you could have your hand to support the balance on the both sides. May not feel equal, so see what option works best on this side. And now we're going to be going to the tree pose with the leg. So you could have your toe on the floor, or bringing the sole of the foot to the inside of the leg, or above your knee. So basically wherever you're putting your foot on the leg, it's not going to be on your knee. Where you can keep your knee pressed out and the hands on the hip, or anywhere you find more steady balance while we combine the brushing teeth. And now you could shake your leg away to try the other side. So remember the option: foot on the floor, below your knee, above your knee. Keep your knee pressed out and draw the shoulder down so you don't tense up in the neck, shoulder. While we try to steady balance, standing on one leg, and see what works best today with your balance. The option of the hands brushing teeth, or the hands the hip, anywhere where you can support. And you can shake your leg whenever you finish, so you can have some clean teeth at the same time as some exercise done, mobility work done, and balancing work done. So time well spent. Thank you.